Open and Distance Learning Institution. This is my presentation for this course, Activity 6. This is a 2 weeks duration course. It is useful for all those who are currently unoriented academic counselors at study centers of open universities and especially in IGNOU, and the learners enrolled in Masters in Distance Education program, or those professionals or teachers who are there in the conventional institutions and who wish to associate with ODL institutions. It is a learner-centered course with the focus on learner participation, interaction, and discussions with instructor, peer group, and self-reflection, which will also help us in their assessment. Learners will be guided through weekly write-ups on each subject and each objective, and video and podcast introduction and other relevant artifacts. Learning theories involved out here are andragogy, because our learners are self-guided, self-motivated, and they are futuristic, and constructivism is there, as scaffolding through scenarios will be used during activities, and behaviorism cannot be ruled out as practices and the changes in their behavior as a learning outcome is expected, because this is a program for ODL learners. And learners will have to learn and explore various artifacts, and internet will be widely used. Hence, connectivism is inherent in design and delivery of the course. Since the course is used as a part of online or blended instruction, hence micro lecturing technique is powerful. Hence, it will be used. Finally, I can say that experiential learning is also involved in making of the course. The artifacts are the use of podcast, videos and screencast videos, slides, and PDF documents will be there. Open source print material will be taken from the digital repository of IGNOU, that is called eGyanKosh, as far as I have thought of so far. The course content or say unfolding of the weekly content has been put up over here through this infograph. Week 1 has 3 modules and week 2 has 2 modules, and this is all at present. I thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to present this course.